The way I see it, there are now two worlds, the world before COVID and the world as it is now. This health pandemic has swept the world and affected millions in our own country.
People are scared. They don't know how long this will last or when it will end.
Everyone is longing for connection. They want assurance that their lives can go back to normal when this is all over. But what if it doesn't? Millions of people have lost their jobs and thousands of businesses are not going to reopen. And since we're talking about sobering realities right now, do you want to know the cold hard truth? Countless people were struggling financially before this even happened. California's cost of living has been out of control for a long time. Maybe you were too embarrassed to ask for help. Every time you turn on the news, all you saw were stories about the booming economy and low unemployment numbers. Yet that wasn't the case for a lot of people. Countless Californians were barely keeping their heads above water, hoping things would get better for them too, but it didn't. How do I know this? Because I've seen the delinquent loan data. I've been a default real estate expert in Southern California for over 15 years. I'm not the realtor that you see at an open house with baked cookies. I'm the real estate professional that gets the call from a bank or a loan servicer after somebody loses their home to foreclosure. I'm the guy who gets the call from a probate attorney after someone dies. I'm the guy who gets the call from a homeowner who can't make their mortgage payments and needs help working with their bank so they can sell their home before it goes into foreclosure and restart their life. When everybody else is running out of the burning building, I'm running in it to try to stop the fire. Despite public misconception, banks don't like to foreclose on people. Banks are not in the business to own or sell real estate, they're in the business to lend money. Foreclosure is a last resort for banks, and they want to work with professionals like myself who have developed foreclosure mediation programs to help their defaulted borrowers. If you're behind on your mortgage payments, you have several options at this point. If you want to stay in your home, then you can try to work out a forbearance or loan modification. These options are only going to work if you can actually afford to make the monthly payments in the near future. If you can't afford to keep making the payment, then you're going to have to either sell the home or give it back to the bank. When there's blood in the water, there's going to be sharks. People will take advantage of others when they're in a tough situation. You may start seeing ads from companies stating that they will buy your home fast with cash or that they can stop your foreclosure with bankruptcy. You may even be contacted by the real estate agent that sold you your house stating they can help you because their retail business is dried up and they're suddenly an expert in default real estate. Yet all these options leave out the fine print. Many of these individuals are trying to take advantage of your situation or have no clue what they are doing, and you don't have the time or money to lose.
Over the coming weeks, I will be releasing new online videos talking about the steps you can take to avoid foreclosure. I understand the process the bank takes after you go into default and what actions you must take to save your credit and restart your life.
My foreclosure mediation services are designed specifically for homeowners in Southern California who don't want to file for bankruptcy and wish to sell their home to save their credit from late payments and foreclosure actions. My clients understand that the clock is ticking and are willing to take immediate action. My clients put in the work by utilizing my programs to save their credit and get back on their feet as quickly as possible, some even buying a home again in as little as 2 years. To be notified about these upcoming videos, be sure to like this video and follow my channel. If you have any questions or need immediate assistance, contact the number on your screen to schedule a no-obligation, confidential phone consultation. I hope you stay strong, stay informed, and remain healthy. Until next time, bye for now.